you really make money with Modere? Can you really make an additional income stream in this network marketing company? If done the right way, using attraction marketing, using the systems that we have over here, I'm going to talk more about the systems in this video, then yes, you can have the success that you want to have. And hey, if we are just meeting, my name is Julie Reynolds, and I help network marketers brand themselves with confidence and build their dream business online. In this channel, I give you weekly tips on how to build your network marketing business online using the same strategies I've used to hit the top ranks in my company. So make sure you subscribe and like this video so that you never miss out. All right, can you really make money in Modere? And let me tell you, the resounding answer is yes. I came over to this company about a year and a half ago, and I was skeptical. I'm not gonna lie. I was skeptical. I was like, is this company really all that it's cracked up to be? And holy moly, let me tell you, yes, it is, right? So Modere, what I love about the company is it really is very progressive in terms of the way that network marketing companies are going. And why do I say that? Well, we've got a dual-sided comp plan, which means that basically there's kind of like an affiliate side of things. You can hit the top ranks of the company earning up to 36% commission on our products without having a team. Hitting the top rank of a company without having a team is very extraordinary, and I don't know any other network marketing company that builds that way. So yes, you make the income based on your sales. So let's say you don't want to have a team, you don't want to be in charge, you don't want to be a leader, you don't want that residual piece. Can you still have success over here? Absolutely, you can have success. Now, the other thing that I love is that Modere teaches you to brand yourself and not your business. So you can make money over here because you're not spammy pammy, so to speak, right? You're not blowing up your news feed, product, join my opportunity, join my opportunity. What they teach is they teach you how to brand yourself, offer value. I like to say 90% of my social media feed is value, and then I sprinkle in my product and opportunity, but in a very non-spammy way, using attraction marketing, using power posts to build my like and my following and draw people to me, right? The other thing that I love about Modere is there's many different opportunities and different ways to make money. You can make money off of your team. You can make money off of signing somebody up. And like I said, you can earn up to 36% commission on our products. So can you make money with Modere? Absolutely you can. And I'm going to tell you that it does take work, it does take time, but when you follow the ATM system that we have, which is add, tag, and message, you can have the success that you want if you're willing to put in the work. And what I want you to do is somewhere in this video, somewhere over here, there's a link of how I rank advanced 11 times in 30 days because of this network marketing company, because of the systems that we have in place, and because of the attraction marketing that we use in order to draw people to us, right? So definitely make sure you check out this video. And my question of the day for you is, what type of income would you like to make in your network marketing company? Put it in the comments below. And then what I have for you is I have a daily goal worksheet that tells you everything that you need to be doing every single day in order to be successful in your business. And if Modere seems like a great opportunity for you and it's something that you're interested in, let's connect. You can find all of my contact information in the description below, and let's chat and see if it's a good fit for you too. And make sure that you stay tuned for another episode of Julie Reynolds TV. I will see you next week.